Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unboxing and placing the kit where you can reach everything. Do this on a towel. Wet hair thoroughly with lukewarm water, then dispense 1 to 2 pumps of the kit shampoo and massage the scalp for 60-90 seconds to remove buildup. This is critical for the rest of the system to work. Once done, rinse fully and squeeze excess water. Make sure to keep the hair damp, not dripping, before moving to the conditioning step. You now apply the kit conditioner from mid-lengths to ends. Smooth through with fingers to distribute evenly because the cuticle needs sealing, not extra weight. Once you've applied conditioning, use the kit mask or treatment serum if included. Leave for the recommended 3 to 5 minutes so active ingredients penetrate. After timing, detangle gently with a wide-tooth comb in the shower, then blot excess water with a microfiber towel. You finish by applying 1 to 2 drops of the kit serum or heat protectant evenly through damp ends. Rub between palms first for even spread. Then blow dry on medium heat while brushing gently. Once mostly dry, use a cool shot to lock the cuticle and add shine. If you prefer air drying, scrunch lightly and avoid touching until dry. If frizz or stiffness appears, use half a pump more serum on dry ends. This quick fix tames flyaways without weighing hair down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.